Unang lutong ulam sa year 2025, gawin nating espesyal pero simple lang po ang ingredients and procedure. Kaya let's get started. Gagamit tayo ng chicken breast fillet. Adjust the ingredients if marami ang lulutuin ninyo. Season with salt and pepper, mix and set aside. Habang nakamarinate ang chicken, gawa tayo ng sauce. Gagamit tayo ng sesame oil, soy sauce, honey, sweet chili sauce, white suka, ketchup, water, and cornstarch. Mix and set aside. Fry the chicken until golden brown and use kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. Set aside. Sa same pan na may 1 tablespoon oil, isute ang ginger and garlic until fragrant and ilagay ang white part ng green onion. Cook few seconds. Ilagay na ang green beans, bell pepper, and red chili. Lutuin ng half cook ang veggies, then add the chicken and mix well. Ilagay na yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina and when the sauce thickens, it's ready to serve. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Kainan na!